Features: new edition with robust packaging to ensure great condition. Each dumbbell features hex-shaped heads to prevent rolling. Medium-depth knurling on the ergo handle provides essential grip and security during use. Coating is extremely durable. Choices: includes one 30-pound dumbbell. Each dumbbell is sold individually. Sizes range from 10 to 50 pounds. Versatile: adding a dumbbell or two to your workout routine offers many benefits such as burning more calories and building muscle. Dumbbells can be used for essentially any fitness routine and muscle group. Construction: each dumbbell head is made from ASTM A48 Class 20 gray iron joined together by a solid 1018 cold-rolled steel chromed handle for exceptional durability and longevity. Functional: great for building and toning muscle, losing fat, burning calories, better balance, enhanced mood and more. Can be used for all major muscle groups such as abs, core, arms and legs. Sport type: exercise fitness. Top reviews from the United States. Great item, horrible packaging. 2x10 2x15 weights arrived loose in a box with thin cardboard separators. Package was so destroyed from shipping that UPS had to repackage it. Weights were fine, only one small cut on the rubber, but nothing to really complain about. When I ordered 2x20, they arrived separately packaged, and double-boxed. Arrived in perfect condition.